So NFT stands for non-fungible token. Cash is fungible. All right. Well, what is fungible? It means that if I give you $100 and then you take the $100 and you spend it, and then you go to the bank and then you take out another $100 and then you give it to me, it's the same. Means I can take that $100, I can give to him, and it is still worth $100. So that is the meanings of fungible. Means it's replaceable. They all carry the same value, the same amount. If you give me your $100 and I give you my $100, you have lost nothing because it's the same value. Nothing unique. Bitcoin is fungible as well. Today, you sell one Bitcoin, and then you buy one Bitcoin. Whatever the market price is, it is always the same. So it is also fungible. So anything that carries the same value, well, basically is fungible. So let's talk about NFTs, right? NFTs is where it creates uniqueness. All of these are not unique. Let's give you a classic example so that everybody can put things into perspective, that everybody will understand what this is. This is Mona Lisa. The real Mona Lisa painting is non-fungible. But there are countless of replicates of Mona Lisa today. That is uncountable. There are thousands of them. You can go to a gift shop, you can buy a Mona Lisa. You know, it looks exactly the same. It is just that it is not the Mona Lisa. So this is what NFT is. NFT now makes digital product or digital content, anything that is digital, to become unique. So if I give you a JPEG image and I turn that into NFT, it means that this JPEG image is unique even though you can copy and paste. It's hard to sort of conceptualize this. So when you receive this JPEG image, although everyone have the same, they copy and paste, but this JPEG image is yours uniquely.